Today's video is a short one, demonstrating one of the creative ways you can use EQ morphing within SEQS. If you aren't already familiar with SEQS, then I would recommend checking out an introduction to SEQS before you watch this video. The morph function in SEQS gradually shifts between two EQ states at a speed dictated by the user. By default, the time base is set to seconds, but it can also follow the project BPM. When looped, this can be used for some creative rhythmic effects. If I leave my A curve flat and then set up a B curve with a fairly extreme EQ, when I trigger the EQ morph, it creates a pulsing effect which adds another layer of dynamics to my beat. Plus, it automatically lines up with the project grid. For more information or to download a free trial, please visit the NUGEN website.